All right, the first thing you want to do is right click somewhere in the page, select the inspect option, and then the next thing you need to do is make sure that the correct frame is chosen. You don't want top in the legacy app, you want to have this string of characters with the Kraken the Cryptic web app selected, and then inside of here you paste the code that you have copied from the file and then hit enter. You should see a little message saying that the script is run, and when you click OK, you'll see the button pop up down here. And from there, you can go ahead and close the window, and then you click that enable button to enable it. And now the grid has the four corner overlay applied to it. So what you want to do is select the cells you want to mark, select which corners you want to mark in the cell, and then click the color. You can select any of the four corners or just one. You can also delete a single color from a cell. You can delete several at once. Uh, you can also say you're done with the corner colors. You can click the clear all colors button, and you'll get this little pop-up asking if you're sure, because currently there's not an undo or redo system for this. You just want to hit OK if you want to go ahead, and it'll clear all of them. And similarly, say you have some colors and you're through with the corner color system altogether, you can hit the disable four corner display. You'll again get a question asking, are you sure? Because when you do that, it will actually clear the display off of the field. All right, so re-enabling that, it does work fine with the numbers. So, like, say you want half black and half green, say a cell can be black and green, or uh, actually, let's do red and green for now. And you can also do the colors up here, although I do recommend, while you can actually apply colors over the top of the colors from the original control panel, I do recommend sticking to one or the other. For one, it can get confusing which ones you need to delete. And also, sometimes certain colors will not mesh quite as well, but most of them do just fine with it anyway. Uh, but at any rate, just to show you that it does work with the numbers just fine, you can still do the corner numbers, center numbers, all that. The check function still works, although considering this puzzle has nothing in it, it would fail. But that's pretty much it. Hope y'all enjoy. If there's any bugs or anything, let me know. It does work in the new app as well. The layout is just a tiny bit different, but not much. You just do the same procedure, inspect. In this case, you want the frame to be the top frame, because in the new app, that's the frame the code needs to go into. You do, again, just paste the same code and hit enter. You'll get the same message, and the same little box will pop up. And from there, the functionality is exactly the same. The only difference on here is, as you can see, the new app does save your progress, but just know, because this is not integrated with this code, this stuff does not save between loading the page and unloading the page. So any corner color marks at this time, because I have not actually integrated it into their code, because I can't, uh, it does not have that functionality of saving. I may add in the future the ability to save and unsave, as well as the ability to redo and undo. But at this time, I am not planning on doing that. Now, the other thing to note is that you can't drag select currently. I do plan on eventually adding the ability to drag select here. But at the present time, it's not, and I also don't have any keyboard shortcuts attached to this yet. I may try and do that, but it'll have to wait until my next day off to give that a go. Hope you enjoy, and if there's any problems, just leave a bug report on the GitHub page. Thank you.